Today I want to show you how I am using this product. I just bought it. So it's called GRANDE LASH and D. This is the box. It's only for 3 months and not even 3, I think. Not even 3 months. And we will see how it will work. So I have to use it once a day and let's see how it goes. So this is the bottle. You need to apply on the lash line, like just dipping it once for both eyes, and be careful not to put it in your eyes. It will dry in like 1-2 minutes. So this is how they look right now. So here are my lashes, and as you can see at the end I have almost nothing. It's shorter than in the middle part. So I was actually using some false lashes at the end because it was really bad. Hi everyone, so I want to tell you about my results for my lashes. I'm actually absolutely amazed. Look at this, with this serum from Sephora, and I haven't really curled it, like I haven't curled it at all, and I'm happy with the results. If you would like to try it, go for it. It's worth the money because I used to use Revitalash. It's 600 dirham, which is almost, I mean, maybe it's like $80, and maybe I think it's similar results, but this one, look at this. I'm impressed. So I highly recommend. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share to your friends, and buy this product. You have to buy it. Buy this product, guys.